The inspiration behind this shoot was creative lighting. There's nothing really in particular something that I wanted to accomplish. I just wanted to do more creative lighting. Now, Cyn-Ean, she's an amazing model, and one thing that I love about working with her is that she always showing me inspirational images that has some crazy and amazing lighting setups. So with that, game on. It's time to do some creative lighting. So the amazing model for this shoot is Cyn-Ean. Now, I honestly didn't really know how to pronounce her name, so I actually had to ask her during this shoot what was her how to pronounce her name. But normally everybody sees her on Instagram by Blueberry Girl. So if y'all want to check out on the Blueberry Girl Instagram here. With that being said, let's get into this. All right, so y'all all know my camera choice is my A7R III and my A7R IV. I paired my A7R IV with my Tamron 28-75. I paired my A7R III with my Sony 85mm Prime. As y'all know, I'm really getting into this creative lighting in this new studio, man. I enjoy it. So one of the things I kind of wanted to do for this one was really give y'all this punch of light, you know, this really dramatic look, but yet keep it in my style a little bit. But yes, coming off my, you know, my element of who I am. So what I did was I took one beauty dish and I put it right off to the side, almost about 90 degrees, kind of tethering off of her a little bit. I put a V-flat on the other side. Now this V-flat is gonna play a double duty to this. It's actually gonna block light from my background light to getting onto my model, but it also is gonna give me a little bit of feel to my model, so my shadows on my opposite side of my model won't be so dark. And this is one of the things I love to do. Now for the background, I used a projector. A projector is something really unique if anybody never played with a projector. A projector has these little gobos into them that you can put different gobos that give your light to these different spectacular effects to it. And this is an amazing thing when you want to have creative lighting. All right, so let's check out these behind the scenes of what I've done with my creative lighting. I hope y'all enjoyed that behind the scenes with Cyn-Ean. Also, if y'all want to see more information about this shoot, check out my vlog at nike.com/journals. And y'all know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe, man. You know, I'm gonna be throwing some more stuff in the mix too as well. I can show some more creative lighting. And I'm gonna get on out of here after this, because y'all know what to do. All right. Peace.